Hi guys. There's been a few questions about the most recent assignment, so I just thought I'd go over it with you. Attached to this assignment is a Google Doc that Google Classroom makes a copy for you of, so you can answer these questions just on that numbered Google Doc, or if you know your fancy schmancy way of doing it right on this PDF, that's fine too. All right, so this first one is pretty straightforward. I'll do a couple of them with you, but I think you guys can figure this one out. This is just talking about weather conditions and interpreting some of the symbols that we see on regular weather maps. Okay, so there's a key over here. They've got a few cities listed, and they're asking you to write down which city or cities. Okay, so which city is having a thunderstorm? You would look up here, look for the symbol, look around the map, and you would see that the answer to number 1 is Miami. Which city is currently having snow? Snow is these little circles that are not filled in. So this is rain over here, thunderstorms, and snow would be up there by New York. Highest temperature, the temperatures are listed right here. Lowest temperature, partly cloudy skies. High pressure would be, the highest pressure would be the cities that are next to the center of these high pressure systems right here. Which city is close to a warm front? Remember, this is the symbol for that. And then cloudy skies and rain. Just look up here and write down the city name on there. Okay, so the first part I don't think that many people had problems with. The second part is a little bit more involved. It says, in the United States, the weather generally moves across the country from west to east. So what that means is that most of our big weather systems come off of the Pacific Ocean and they come across our country from this direction. Yeah, we get weather systems that come from Canada as well, but for the most part, due to the spin of the Earth, something called the Coriolis effect, most of our weather systems are going to travel across the country from west to east. So that means that here in Minneapolis, in the next 12 to 24 hours, you're going to be looking at what's going on over here, okay? Because that current condition is going to be over here in the next 12 to 24 hours. I think on this assignment it says meteorologists can accurately predict weather between 24 and 48 hours. Okay, so this map shows Friday. Okay, and then your questions down here are, what is going to be the forecast for Saturday? So the next day, you're going to be looking at these locations and seeing what's coming at them to the west, okay? Because it's going to be traveling over them in the next day or so. So New York City, you're over here. Looks like there's some rain going on there, but this is what is going to be moving over New York City in the next day, okay? So warm fronts bring warmer air, right? They bring with them warmer air. They're replacing the cold air that's over New York right now, and warmer air is on the way. Once this warm front moves over New York, this body of air is going to be over New York, and that's warmer. Okay, warmer temperatures. Los Angeles, it's right over here. What we've got is coming off of the Pacific Ocean. It looks like there's a cold front that's dragging across here. That's going to sweep across Los Angeles, and with a cold front, you're going to have cooler temperatures. Cooler temperatures are right here. Dallas. Dallas is down here. It looks like we've got a cold front coming at us from the north and west. And it looks like that will bring cooler temperatures, but look at what's behind it, okay? So this whole system is going to be moving over Dallas, and that is the symbol for thunderstorms moving over Dallas. Minneapolis, we've got a high pressure system. Remember, high pressure is associated with clear, nice conditions, just like what we've got going on right now today. There's high pressure in the atmosphere. If there wasn't, we would have these fronts. The fronts always come out of a low pressure system. There's never any around a high. See that? There's never any of these fronts. So in Minneapolis, over the next 48 hours, this is what's coming at Minneapolis. And so that's going to be continued sunny skies. Is that one of the options? Yes, sunny skies. Boise, Idaho. Boise, you're hanging out down here in southern Idaho. You've got a cold front coming, and so with the cold front, you're going to be getting cooler temperatures. Cooler temperatures. Miami, looks like a beautiful day in Miami, 96 degrees, clear skies. This is what is coming over Miami in the next 48 hours. And so in Miami, you are going to have continued sunny skies. Chicago, Chicago looks like it's partly cloudy here. What's coming at Chicago? We've got this big patch of pretty high pressure right here. It's right north of a cold front. So some of you might put cooler temperatures, but the answer to Chicago, because actually the city of Chicago is up here, not where the word is. And so it's going to be continued sunny skies for Chicago as well. And the last one, Seattle. Seattle is partly cloudy. This is coming at Seattle in the next 48 hours, and that stands for rain. I hope that helps. As you might have heard, today is the last day for teachers to give assignments. I will still be posting things and talking about weather and maybe just looking at daily weather forecasts and showing you what I look for in a weather map. So we'll still be talking weather. I might bust out my ukulele and play you a little song. I told Kylie Udy that I would maybe, she got all her work in, I would maybe even do a TikTok. I don't have any idea how to even do that, do the TikTok, but I can figure that out. So you just stay tuned, okay? And for those of you who are really behind in work, that's what this week is for. You're just getting caught up. Those of you who are caught up, awesome. I've got about 55 of you that are just rocking and rolling, and I appreciate that. We're ending the year here soon, but this is not the last you will hear from me. So check back. Hope this helps.